Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, so there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today I want to share with you a nice roll-up tool bag. This is what it looks like when it's all nice and rolled up. It is made out of a canvas, weather-resistant material. It has this nice little strap handle and then these two little buckles that are adjustable. You basically undo it and it unrolls. Now you will see in here it also has a nice shoulder strap if you want to put this on, or it can be removed. But you can also use the little buckle, so the shoulder strap goes right here, but you can also hang this either from a tool bench or the back of your car or anything like that. So it has this nice little hanging ability. On the back side, it has this little mesh pocket so you can put identification or anything like that if you're using this as a working situation. And then on this side, you will see that it has a lot of storage pouches. So right here on the bottom, it has three nice sturdy zipper pouches, perfect for tools, hammers, and things like that. And then at the top, it has a big one and then two smaller ones. So you may want to, put screws or anything like that. But what's cool about the top pieces is they are removable. So they are just Velcro. So you can quickly and easily remove them and place them back as you are needing them on the job site. Same thing with the little ones, and you'll notice the little ones also have these nice little D-hooks, so you can choose to hang these up if you choose or wish to do so. But yeah, so that is basically the ins and outs of this. It has, like I said, 7 zipper pockets and 3 removable pockets. It's very versatile and quick to kind of roll up and utilize for storing your tools and being used on the go. That is basically it. So if there was something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, be sure to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.